Fat Test, the off-road adventure here at Morgan's Wonderland in San Antonio, Texas, sponsored by Valero. Welcome to Fat Tested Travel. This is Jason Vaughn. I fat test rides all over the world. The vehicle, and they do have wheelchair space in the back. I'm going to be number 2. Did fit perfectly fine in here. I don't know if you'd be able to fit with another person at my size, but there's no gas to push, which is fantastic. Trying to fit at my size again. I don't think you'd fit under here, but I don't know if this actually does anything or it just kind of goes. By the way, for this fat test, I am 340 pounds, 5'8", with a 52-inch waist. These are self-powered. They're not gas or diesel or anything like Tomorrowland Speedway, which means they're a lot quieter as well, and they don't smell. I used to I don't see the purpose of Tomorrowland Speedway, but then one of my followers who is disabled had mentioned to me that she loves that ride. It was actually her favorite ride because it's the only way and time she can actually drive a vehicle. So I thought that was pretty cool, something I had never had to think about, and it was a pretty cool idea. Sand area for kids to play in. That's cute. I didn't see this back there. Presented by Toyota. Thanks, Toyota. I actually love all of these little areas promoted by these sponsors. I think it's fantastic. And a lot of them have to do with like oil and gas, Valero. I mean, this is Texas, so that helps. Crossing the finish line. If I had a kid, I'd love them to get a summer job or an internship here because I think they would learn a lot about dealing with people.